Are you thinking about buying a home but feel overwhelmed about the interest rates today, the amount of money that you need for a down payment, what your credit score needs to be, and just the overall cost of a mortgage? Well, you're not alone, but you're in luck. There's a loan program out there that has helped millions of potential home buyers become homeowners, and that's an FHA loan. I'm Jamie Mushaw with Jamie Mushaw Real Estate, and if you're new to our channel, we talk about all things real estate in Southwest Washington, including Vancouver and surrounding areas, Camas, Washougal Battleground, as well as the Portland metro area. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what an FHA loan is, who it's for, and how it can benefit you as a home buyer. So what is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a type of mortgage that is insured by the Federal Housing Administration. More specifically, it's called HUD. And HUD does not actually loan you the money. You go through a typical lender to get money for your loan. Essentially, what the government backing does is if you default on that loan for some reason, then the government would cover a portion of the loss for that specific lender. So what this means is that makes the lenders more willing to give you better terms on this specific FHA loan, and especially if you're a first-time home buyer or if your credit isn't perfect. So why do so many home buyers choose to do an FHA loan? Let's break this down and the benefits of it. Let's start with the low down payment portion. Probably the biggest draw to doing an FHA loan is that you only have to have 3.5% down as your down payment, and your credit score has to be a minimum of a 580. So for comparison, many conventional loans make you have somewhere between 5 to 20% down. Typically, you have to have a higher credit score. So on a $400,000 home, that's the difference of with FHA, you may only need $14,000 down versus $80,000 down. So then we'll talk about the easier credit requirements. Because FHA is less stringent, your credit score does not have to be as high. There's also a portion of FHA where if you may only have a 500 credit score, they could require you to put as much as 10% down. So maybe your credit score isn't great, but you do have cash in the bank. That could be a benefit to you. Additionally, interest rates are quite competitive with an FHA loan. Since the loan is insured and backed by the government, lenders can offer you a more competitive rate even if your credit is not top tier. So what's another great reason to use an FHA loan program to get your mortgage? Well, essentially, gifted funds is another reason why you may want to use an FHA program. What are gifted funds? Essentially, gifted funds is money that is given to you from a third party, whether that be a relative, an employer, or a friend, and you can use that money towards your down payment or your closing costs. So this makes a FHA loan another great reason to use as your mortgage when you're looking to purchase a home. Who is the FHA loan available to? Well, the thought out there is that FHA loans are only available to first-time homebuyers, and that's not true. FHA loans are available to anyone. There are no income limitations, and it is available in all states in the US. Who are FHA loans a great fit for? A first-time home buyer that doesn't necessarily have a big savings account. Maybe you've had challenges in your credit history in the past. Your credit's not that great, so FHA would be a program that you would want to look into because of their low credit scores in order to obtain an FHA loan. Maybe you're getting gift funds from a family member or a friend that's going to allow you to purchase a home. Maybe you don't want to wait the time that it's going to take you to save up 20% down to do a different type of loan program. And then if you're looking to purchase your primary residence, this is a great loan to be able to purchase your primary residence with, especially again, if you are a first-time home buyer. So who does the FHA loan not fit for? Typically, if you have a high credit score, you have a larger down payment, FHA program is not usually the loan that you will go after. Usually you're looking at a conventional loan because there's benefits to doing a conventional loan over an FHA loan. Maybe you want to buy an investment property. Well, with an FHA loan, you cannot buy an investment property. Or lastly, maybe you don't even want to pay mortgage insurance, and the way to avoid paying mortgage insurance is that you're going to be putting 20% down. And if you're putting 20% down, again, you're going to fit into that category of the likelihood that you're going to be doing a conventional loan. So to wrap things up, FHA loans is one of the most powerful tools that you can use if you're looking to purchase a home, especially if you're not able to save enough money at a pace to get to that 20% down payment, or if you have had credit challenges in the past. So if you're trying to find out if an FHA loan is the right fit for you, feel free to reach out to me and I can connect you with one of my trusted lenders. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment below. We also have a weekly newsletter that you can sign up for free. I'm Jamie Mushaw with Jamie Mushaw Real Estate, and we'll see you on the next video.